现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it is time for a conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and I hope everyone likes listening to radio because I think that is the conversation we're going to have today. And the phrase of the month is 喜欢 like. 好，希望大家喜欢听广播，应该会，因为听到这一段就表示你现在正在听广播，对不对？Do you like to listen to radio? And let's put you in that situation, okay? 我们就来一个对话，再问朋友喜欢听广播吗？
好听广播吗？
好啊，尤其係視察嘅時節。
我咩係呢？
矮妹黑呢，就是我也是，对不对？所以他们都很喜欢听广播，对不对？
对。
现在很多人开车还是喜欢去听广播。
对，
因为你要去
无聊啊。
不是上网去抓歌是 OK， 可是你还要在那边动来动去也很麻烦。广播你喜欢哪个电台？像是 ICRT 啊，你就放在那边就好了啊。
是啊，一路塞一路听。
Exactly. Let the DJ play all the music for you, right? So it's a great thing. And let's break down the phrases right here. 第一句话就是你喜欢听广播吗？ Do you like to listen to radio?
好聽廣播麼？
好聽廣播麼？廣播。Okay, that is radio or broadcasting actually. 好，就是廣播的意思。
是
廣播喜歡呢，尤其是開車的時候。Yes, I do. I like it, especially when I'm driving.
好啊，尤其係視察嘅時節。
視察嘅時節。OK， 視察就是開車
的
時候，駛着車子的時候。
視察嘅時節。
Driving is 視察。Alright， 時間就叫做時節。Okay, that's 時候的意思。Right? Exactly. When you drive, listen to the radio. It's very relaxing. And the other person says, "Yeah， 我也是啊。
矮咩黑
呢？我們很喜歡聽到這句話。更多人聽廣播啊，讓我們的聽眾率這個節高升啊呀！謝謝大家。和子 say， 我們來這個 rate 幾個單字嘍。
OK，
包括很重要的廣播 broadcast or radio。
廣播
and then to drive 開車視察and then that phrase at the end 我也是啊 me too 怎麼說
矮咩黑呢
Alright, this whole month is the phrase 喜歡好 and let's listen into the conversation
好聽廣播嗎？
好啊，尤其係視察嘅時節。
矮咩係呢
And thank you so much for listening to ICRT, this great radio station. We'll see you next time here on Conversational Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.